this video I am going to do the unboxing and the review of the Adoff Bluetooth speaker. The reason why I am reviewing this particular product is because of the great battery life which I have personally experienced, and of course the sound quality. Let's start with the unboxing of the Adoff Bluetooth speaker. This is the box of the Adoff speaker, and you can see that the model number mentioned on the box is ADFS1, and there are a couple of specifications which are mentioned on the box, which includes the weatherproof, dustproof and USB charging. And on the back side of the box, if you see, the MRP is mentioned as 2490, but you will easily get it for somewhere around 1600 rupees, which includes 1 year warranty from the company. So let us quickly open the box. As you can see that the speaker is black in color and round in shape. Let us check the other contents. This is the carabiner which comes along with the package. The micro USB cable for charging the device, the auxiliary cable and the user guide. The weight of the device is 190 grams. It's very light in weight. It's got a pretty nice design, and on the back side you can see there's a non-slip rubber pad which can hold the device to any surface. As far as the design is concerned, it looks very modern, sleek, attractive and stylish. The looks of this particular Bluetooth speaker somewhat resembles to Google Home Mini. The top seems to be made of fabric, and you can see some controls on the top, which includes the power on off button, play, pause and forward and rewind. This speaker also has an option to play songs via memory card or any other device having a 3.5mm jack. It's available in different colors such as grey, red, orange, black and blue. The quality of the Bluetooth speaker is very good, and it seems to be a very sturdy model. The carabiner comes very handy and useful, especially if you are traveling. Now let us put on the Bluetooth speaker and check the audio quality for the same. First thing to connect the speaker is that you have to hold on the power button for a few seconds. Then it will go into the pairing mode. Once the device enters into the pairing mode, it is ready for search in your smartphone. You can go into the Bluetooth settings and search for the device and connect it. It has got a continuous playback of more than 20 hours, which is tried and tested. The audio quality seems to be pretty good, and the best thing about this Bluetooth device is that you can use it in the rains without any hassle because it's a waterproof device. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel.